Imagine this. You wake up one morning, stretch, grab your phone, and bam, the news says Earth has stopped spinning. For just one day. No big deal, right? Just a little pause button on the planet? Well, not exactly. If Earth really stopped spinning, even briefly, it would be the most terrifying and possibly final day humanity has ever seen. Right now, Earth spins at about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. That's faster than a jet plane. You don't feel it because the atmosphere, the oceans, and you are all moving together with the planet. It's like being in a car. As long as the car moves smoothly, you don't notice. But if that car slams the brakes hard, you'd go flying into the windshield. So what happens if Earth suddenly slams its brakes? If Earth froze in place, everything not nailed down would keep moving at its original speed, 1,000 miles an hour. That means cars, buildings, oceans, people, your cat, everything would be launched eastward like a cosmic fastball. Imagine every skyscraper turning into a sideways avalanche. Whole cities would flatten instantly. And the oceans? Oh boy. Water doesn't politely stop. The oceans would surge eastward in mega tsunamis hundreds of feet tall. Coastlines would be swallowed in minutes. But it's not just buildings and oceans. The air itself is moving at that speed too. So if the Earth stopped but the atmosphere didn't, we'd all face hurricane-force winds circling the planet at over 1,000 miles an hour. Trees, houses, maybe even entire towns would be ripped off the ground. Forget about umbrellas. They'd basically be flying spears. Okay, let's pretend you somehow survived that first catastrophic moment. What's left of the planet after one day of not spinning? Well, for starters, the cycle of day and night would break. Instead of the usual 24-hour spin, one side of the Earth would face the sun for the entire day. That side would roast like a giant frying pan. Temperatures would skyrocket. The other side, trapped in darkness, would freeze. Imagine New York turning into Death Valley while Los Angeles turns into Antarctica, all in the same day. Now here's a fun twist. Normally, Earth's spin gives you a little extra outward push at the equator, like a carnival ride. It makes you weigh about a pound less than you would at the poles. But if Earth stopped, that spin boost would vanish instantly. Congratulations, you just gained weight. Not much, but enough to notice if you're obsessed with your bathroom scale. Oh, and don't forget the moon. Earth's spin keeps the oceans in check with tides. If Earth stopped, tides would go haywire. We'd get massive flooding in places that never see it, and dried out seabeds where water is pulled away. Plus, without the spin stabilizing us, Earth's magnetic field and climate would eventually unravel. So after one day of this madness, could Earth just start spinning again like nothing happened? Nope. The amount of energy needed to stop and restart a planet is unimaginable. If Earth stopped, it wouldn't just casually reboot. The damage would be permanent. Civilization, gone. Oceans, rearranged. Atmosphere, torn apart. The survivors, if any, would be starting from scratch in a world that barely resembles the one we know. So yeah, pressing pause on Earth's spin isn't just a fun experiment. It's game over. Our planet works because it spins, keeping days and nights balanced, tides in check, and the atmosphere calm enough for us to breathe. The spin is life. So what do you think? Would you rather face Earth suddenly stopping or Earth spinning twice as fast? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video if you learned something new. And hey, if you want more wild science what-ifs, make sure to subscribe. We'll keep the world spinning, at least on YouTube.